lands, and I am not allowed to say the letter E, and we will choose a map. I can't say the letter E if I'm in the map now. Okay, let's choose a map. What about the jungle? Okay. It will be a little long, guys. Okay, let's pretend that we're in survival mode. Look, that's why I use this character, Carol. She's my favorite character. She swims very fast, unlike the others. Okay. Okay, guys, we are going to chop some wood from the tree. And we are going to min. Oh no, this lava is hot. Let's build a hose, a wood hose. Let's find a plaque, a kotag. Let's make a small kotag. Oh, hey, little birds. Oh, I said it. Now we have 4 hearts. Heart. Wait, guys, this will be a little, little long. Okay, guys, this house is done, and it's called windowless. OMG. Guys, I already have 2 hearts. Let's add the furniture. Let's add the furniture. But first, we have to break the grass blocks. Now we add the furniture. I'd like a red bed. Let's add also this. And the floor pot. We are done. We are done. Oh no, guys, I do. Bye, guys. See you next video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also to my other YouTube channel. It's Lavender Gacha. Bye.